Hello students, how are you? Students, let's we start the next point, the discovering tooth. After Sumenkar, a very young Tutankhaten Khaten took the throne. Tutankhaten Khaten was a very young king. He was the last king and higher from his family. Before him, Sumenkar had ruled on Egypt, that kingdom, who was not belong to the family of Tut, now known as King Tut. After becoming the king Tutankhaten, he, known as Tut, changed his name to Tutankhamun, living image of Amun god. Tut has changed his name and kept his name Tutankhamun because in Egypt Amun was called to God. So Tutankhaten kept his name Tutankhamun. He ruled for 9 years and restored old old ways. Tut started the old rules in Egypt and started the old traditions. Everything had changed by Tut in Egypt, and he ruled for 9 years in Egypt. He died unexpectedly. Tut had died suddenly, and the people of Egypt could not know the reason of his death. And a CT scan machine scanned the mummy from head to toe. Carter started to scan of the mummy of Tut, and CT scan machine scanned the whole body from head to toe, and it is helpful to describe the reason of death. With the help of CT scan, we easily can find many things about the body. It created about 1700 digital X-rays images. Carter prepared about 1700 digital X-ray photos from the scan machine. His head was scanned in 0.62 millimeter slice. It was scanned his head in 0.62 millimeter slices because Carter wanted to know all the things about Tut. That's the reason he had died in his early age. It is Carter searched. Workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box. Howard Carter's workmen took all the cutting pieces of mummy in a box in place of tomb because Carter thought that if any piece of Tut's body had fallen, then it will be faced many problems in Egypt. The $1 million scanner had quit because of sand in a cooler fan. Carter's scanner machine was so costly. It was $1 million, but in that place could not be scan of the Tut's body because the pan of scanner had failed due to fill the sand in the machine. And cursed of the pharaoh, joked by a guard. There was a guard who told about the machine that it had damaged due to the curse of pharaohs and said that it could be do to cut the mummy of Egypt, King Tut. It was a big sin for the people and they would face the curse of pharaohs. But the substituted fans had to finish the process. The fence of machine has damaged, but Carter had arranged extra fence for the machine and he made to arrange, and with its the process of work could finish. A technician pulled up wonderful images of Tutu on a computer screen. A technician pulled up prepared the wonderful images of Tut's mummy on a computer screen, which were so clear and its were helpful to know about the secrets of mummy. His head and bones of the neck appeared quite clearly on a computer screen. The Tut's mummy bones, mostly the head and the neck bones, shows more clearly on the in CT scan X-rays. Okay.